Hello my friends. Today, we are doing a festive dessert you can make in advance for a stress-free holiday. Choco Pecan Pie. Come join me in my very merry kitchen. Are you ready to celebrate the holidays? My sous chef and I are looking forward to it, so we are making this pie early on. Here are the ingredients you need. For the pie crust, we shall be using graham crackers. Simply place in food processor and blitz until the crackers turn to crumbs. Add sugar, salt, melted butter. Continue blitzing until fine. Pour the graham crumbs into a 9-inch springform pie tin. Bake at 175 degrees Celsius for about 10 minutes.
Hello, this is Brentwood. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, leave a nice comment, and subscribe to our channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell for updates. Thank you!
And now for the filling. Beat for eggs until lighten in color. Add in brown sugar, white sugar. Mix vigorously until foamy. Add cinnamon powder, salt, and vanilla extract. We shall add in the chopped pecan nuts. And melted butter. Fold together. Chop the chocolate bar into small pieces. You can also use chocolate chips if you wish. Spread the chocolate pieces evenly on the bottom of the pie crust, then carefully spoon in the filling mixture. Bake at 165 degrees Celsius for 40 to 45 minutes. You must let it completely cool down before slicing. And there you have it, my dear friends, our special Choco Pecan Pie. Perfect with a steaming cup of coffee or tea. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next episode. Please consider supporting our Plushie channel. Donate through Buy Me a Coffee using the QR code link. Thank you.
Hi, this is Russell. Click here to watch other Plushie videos. Happy Christmas!